Hey, what's up guys, Big Man Mike, 108. If you've seen my other tutorials, sorry. If you've seen my other tutorials, I have 4 tutorials out right now. They're all the Rubik's Cube tutorials. It's part 1, 2, 3, 4. So check those out, subscribe me. After solving and learning how to solve and memorizing the algorithms for the Rubik's Cube, what you want to do is, of course, lubricate your cube. Let me see if I can find a good edge piece. Nope. Hold on, other side. Nope. Well, I was going to show you the inside of my cube, but I do use petroleum jelly. Pretty fast. If you can see, let me see if I can find it. Most of my stickers are peeling off real bad. Like right here. That one's already peeling off. I am gonna buy a new white do-it-yourself DIY white Rubik's Cube and a possibly yellow from Cube Fan Shop. They're pretty good. It's probably gonna be, I haven't ordered it yet. I'm gonna probably order it soon. It's probably gonna be soon. Anyways, today I'm gonna be showing you some finger tricks, like just a simple pattern to learn finger tricks. Here it is. It's just right, up, right inverted, up, right, up, right inverted, up, right, up, right inverted, up, right, right inverted, up, and just do this over and over until it's fixed. And this is just something to just practice your finger tricks. Just something to build your speed. What I do is I do this, and upon bringing it down, I bring this hand back so you can turn it up. So basically you're using this part of your hand and your thumb, well, your index finger. So yeah, that I would recommend lubricating your cube just to help you build your speed. So yeah, that's you can also do that for the left side. Just do this pattern. I don't really practice the left side. I need to start. So I haven't really built my speed up on my left side, but my left side, yeah. So yeah, and also that was the finger tricks. That's probably the only one I know. Oh, and yeah, because I've seen most people, so they need help. They use like their full hand just to turn a piece like this. I recommend that you don't do that because you're gonna wear and tear your cube. Me, I already knew how to finger trick and everything. It's just a fact of my over usage, and I always lend it to my friends and take it to school. So I recommend that if you take it to school or something, make sure you don't let it to your friends unless you know how. And if you do take it to school, make sure you put it in your backpack correctly and make sure that it's not gonna be moving around, like brushing against the edge and everything. So yeah, that was the finger trick. And that'll also look cool. Like, say you already have it like this, and then all of a sudden you just do it real fast in front of your friends. It look as if you solved it like that. So that's pretty cool. And also, can you see it changing? Yeah, it's pretty fast. But that's because I've probably worn it out by now. The internal mechanism. Now it's just smooth as a whistle. So yeah, that was the finger tricks. Now I also want to show you a few patterns that I picked up just by messing around or by other YouTubers. This is a simple one. It's the centerpiece switch. You just do this up, up. Yeah, you go up, up, and you follow these edges. Turn it on its side, like so. Up, up, and again follow this. Turn, up, up, turn, up, up. And there you go. You have these centerpieces. They have moved around. Also, what you would want to do, like say you showed it to your friends, they're like, whoa, how'd you do that? what you're doing is you're going up and then to the right. So to go get it back, look at these three colors: blue, red, white, since they're here, and then you see if the edges are the same: blue, red, white, and they are. Also, if you want to make it only one turn, like one revolution, you also look for this: red comes down, blue goes to the right, white goes up, and then you just do it again. You go up, follow these, turn, up, follow them, turn. So yeah, it'll look like this if you're solving it real fast. And then, oops, yeah, I overlubed my cube. Yeah, and also there's this one. Let me see, it's up, no, down, up, yeah, down, up, turn, 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 down, up, turn. And now you have that. Pretty cool, right? It's like a just interchanging line. And then I do recommend that the last layer you did, look at it and then do it again. Down, up, turn, down, up, turn. You get it. Just do it till it's solved. Sometimes you do it wrong, you'll end up getting a cross. But yeah, just do it again and you'll get the line, and just look for a centerpiece and just do it again. And I think that's the only one I know. Only two I know correctly. Let me see. There's also the up, the sides going up. Turn these both to the right, up, right, up, right. There we go. There's the, either you can call it the X or the cross with the middle missing. And then to get it back, you just do that again. So yeah, this has been Big Man Mike 108. If you have any questions, concerns, or needs, just email me or comment or something. Subscribe me if you can, please, over there. So yeah, again, this is just up, right, up, right, up, over and over, just so you can see. Watch, it's like that. Let me see. And I use this back to turn that, and then up, turn. So that, yeah, that helps you build speed and support. So yeah, this has been Big Man Mike 108. I'm sorry about the whole talking earlier. I was talking real, like, a lot. So yeah. Thank you. This has been Big Man Mike 108. Comment, subscribe, video response, anything. So later.